Hi, my name is Kelsey, and we are standing in the Durango, and I have to tell you, this is one of my favorite homes, and let me show you why. Let's take a look at the kitchen first. So, one of the most amazing things about the kitchens in the Waco 2 Easy Living series is look how tall these cabinets are. Another thing about this series is you can opt for solid surface countertops, not just here, but also on the island. Now I will say the butcher block island is actually a crowd favorite, so you might actually want to keep this. So going on over here, another amazing feature of this home is because we're doing solid surface countertops, we can do a nice undermount farmhouse kitchen sink. So we kind of saw it before, but the appliances are stainless steel in this series, which is absolutely amazing. So now, for the best part, take a look at what's behind this barn door. "10 out of 10 if you ask me. So we're gonna walk over here and take a look at the living room really quick. Now notice how open this home is. Got your living room, your dining room, kitchen here. So you have the nice big fireplace, and that is an option you can include in your home. So what's next? The master. So as you can see when you walk in here, the bedrooms are so big. That is because this factory actually goes a little wider than most. So this home is 56 feet long by 32 feet wide. Now, as we turn around here, you're gonna see my favorite part. This is the bathroom in the Easy Living series, Waco 2 Durango. You got a nice big tub. Now I have seen a guy who's 6'3" sitting there. He fits. Another great piece to highlight is gonna be this shower. This shower is 4 by 6, so it's massive. You could fit a crowd in there, not that you want to. So one last thing I'm gonna show you in this bedroom is the closet. Amazing thing about this is you have nice wood shelves. So the ever popular split floor plan is also featured in this home, and that just means that the parents are over here, the kids are over here, everybody's happy. So first we're gonna stop by the laundry room. It is nice and big, and there is even a little extra space for a freezer. Let's go into this bedroom first. It's a decent size. If you take a look at me, my wingspan is a queen bed, so it'll fit. So now the bigger of the two bedrooms for the favorite kid, kidding, is gonna be this one here. So one nice little feature about all the blinds in the Waco 2 is that they are cordless. So last but not least, and this is a detail that people always notice, but they don't know why. This bathroom is so big. So just take a look at this. You have your shower here, but because we put these linen closets right here, you just get that much more width. So let me know what you think of the Waco 2 Durango in the comments.